Diseases of black gram and green gram. Diseases of black gram or green gram. First is anthracnose. Anthracnose is caused by Coletotrichum lindemuthianum. Coletotrichum lindemuthianum is a seed-borne fungi. It attacks all aerial parts of the plant. Anthracnose can be occurred at any plant growth stages of black gram and green gram. Anthracnose is occurred by Coletotrichum lindemuthianum, seed-borne fungi. Damage symptoms: margins on leaves and pods. Margins color bright red orange, have a dark center. Spots are present on the leaves and pods. Spots are circular, black, shrunken spots. In severe condition, withering of affected plant parts. Seedling blight after the seed germination. So seedling blight is caused in which of the diseases of black gram and green gram? Seedling blight is caused in the anthracnose disease of black gram and green gram. After the seed germination, seedling blight is caused. And withering of affected plant parts is caused in severe condition. Disease etiologies. 3 types of disease etiologies. First is mycelium. Mycelium is localized in the spot. Acarvuli is asexual. Acarvuli have CT. Which type of fruiting body has CT? Acarvuli. Acarvuli is the fruiting body that is caused by anthracnose causing fungi. In case of black gram and green gram, Coletotrichum lindemuthianum. These acarvuli arise through the epidermis. Conidia is asexual. Conidia shape is falcate shape. Color is hyaline and single celled. 3 types of etiologies. First is mycelium, that is localized in the spot. Acarvuli asexual, have CT. It is arised through epidermis. And conidia is also asexual, shape is falcate, color is hyaline, single celled. Disease cycle. The primary infection in case of anthracnose is caused by fungal pathogen that is survives in the infected plant tissues in the soil. Secondary spread and infection by airborne conidia. Conidia is produced on the infected plant parts and also spread by rain splash. So primary infection is by fungal pathogen that survives in the infected plant tissues in the soil, and secondary spread by airborne conidia and rain splash. Management practices: cultural control, collect and destroy infected plant debris in the soil soon after the disease appearance, and chemical control: seed treatment with carbendazim at the rate 2 gram per kg of seeds. Spray carbendazim at the rate 500 gram or mancozeb at the rate 2 kg per hectare. After the disease initiation, and interval of the spraying carbendazim or mancozeb 15 days. Interval or repetition. The second disease that is caused in the green gram and black gram is powdery mildew. Powdery mildew is caused by Ericepha polygony. Ericepha polygony is a fungi. It is an obligate parasite. Ericepha polygony. Damage symptoms are appeared on the leaves and other green plant parts. These green plant parts are severely affected parts are shriveled and distorted. On the leaves and green plant parts, white powdery patches are present on the leaves. These white powdery patches later become dull colored. In severe condition, both surface of leaves are completely covered with whitish powdery growth. Foliage become yellow in color, premature defoliation. Leaves and other green parts of plant, white powdery patches. Severe condition, foliage become yellow in color, and both surface of leaves are covered with whitish powdery growth, premature defoliation. Disease etiologies. Again 3 types of etiologies. First is conidiophores. Conidiophores arise vertically from the leaf surface. Vertically. These bear conidia in the short chains. Conidiophores produce conidia. Conidia shape is elliptical or cylindrical or barrel. Thin walled, color is hyaline and single celled. And the third is Clistothecia. Clistothecia is produced in the latter season. It is minute, color is black and shape is globose. Conidiophores arise vertically from the leaf surface, bear conidia in the short chains, produce conidia. That shape of conidia is elliptical or cylindrical or barrel, thin-walled, color is hyaline and is single-celled. Clistothecia is produced in the latter season, minute, color is black, shape is globose. Disease epidemiologies or favorable conditions. This pathogen has wide host range, Ericepha polygony. Survives in the oidial form. Ericepha polygony survives in the oidial form or oidia on the various hosts in the off seasons. So Ericepha polygony causing the powdery mildew of green gram and black gram can survive in the form of oidia on various hosts in the off season. Conidium or a type of fungal spores. Conidium or a type of fungal spores. Disease cycle. Disease cycle: primary spread or primary infection by infected crop debris. Penetrating Clistothecia can produce ascospores. These ascospores also cause primary infection. So primary spread or primary survive of the fungal pathogen is in the infected crop debris. Penetrating Clistothecia also produce ascospores that also cause the primary infection. Secondary spread is by airborne conidia, rain splash, and secondary infection is by conidia. Secondary infection is by conidia, spread by airborne conidia and rain splash. Management practices: cultural control, early sowing of crop, means green gram and black gram. Chemical control, spray carbendazim at the rate 500 gram or wettable sulfur at the rate 1.5 kg or tridimorph at the rate 500 ml per hectare at the initiation of disease. Interval of this spraying are 15 days. Carbendazim or wettable sulfur or tridimorph. The third disease of green gram and black gram is the leaf spot. Leaf spot is caused by Sarcospora canescens. Sarcospora canescens damage symptoms: severe leaf spotting and defoliation of leaves. During the crop growth stages, a leaf spot of green gram and black gram is caused in which crop growth stages? Flowering and pod formation stages. Spots are small, numerous in number, have pale brown center and reddish brown margin. Spots are appeared on the leaves of green gram and black gram in case of leaf spot that is caused by Sarcospora canescens. Severe leaf spotting and defoliation in the growth stages, flowering and pod formation. Spots have pale brown centers with reddish brown margin. Disease etiologies: two types of disease etiologies. First is conidiophores. Conidiophores produced in the clusters. Color is dark brown. Conidiophores are septate. Conidiophores bear conidia. Conidia is linear. Color is hyaline. Thin-walled, 5 to 6 septate. How many septations are found in the conidia or fruiting body in the case of leaf spot of green gram and black gram? 5 to 6 septations. Two types of disease etiologies: conidiophores that produced in the clusters. Color is dark brown, septate, and conidia linear, color is hyaline, thin-walled, 5 to 6 septate. The disease cycle: primary spread or primary survival of fungal pathogen is by diseased plant debris and seeds. Secondary spread is by airborne conidia. Diseased plant debris and seeds, airborne conidia. Management practices: cultural, clean cultivation, use disease-free seeds, maintain low crop population density, wide crop plants, intercrop with tall growing cereals and millets. So what are the cultural practices? Clean cultivation, use disease-free seeds, maintain low crop population density, wide crop plants. Intercropping of green gram and black gram with the tall growing cereals and millets to reduce the infestation of leaf spot. And the biological control: apply crude extracts, crude oil extracts of cassava, garlic and ginger. 3 types of crops. You have to apply crude oil of 3 types of crops: cassava, garlic and ginger in the field. Then the last disease. So the fourth disease of green gram and black gram is dry root rot. It is also caused by a fungi, Rhizoctonia bataticola. Damaged symptoms: affected plant parts can be easily pulled out. Damaged symptoms are observed on stem, root and stem, bark and root. Stem: dark brown lesions on the stem at ground level. Bark: shredding of bark and root, dried rotten roots in the ground. Dark brown lesions color is dark brown on the ground level in the stem. Shredding of bark and root, dried rotten roots in the ground. Disease etiology: Sclerotia found in large number in the rotten tissues of root and stem. Sclerotia is found. Sexual stage of the fungal pathogen is Macrophomina fasciolina. We have already studied. Rhizoctonia bataticola. The sexual stage of Rhizoctonia bataticola, that causes dry root rot of green gram and black gram, is Macrophomina fasciolina.